channel, and today's video is about curtain holder. Curtain holder we are making from a plastic water bottle, or you can make with the normal cardboard. In one video we had done beautiful wall hanging that from cardboard we had made a one beautiful circle color paint. Then you will not put inside the something line strips, you will not put, then you can directly do this work easily. You will enjoy it. It is so nice work and so pretty, you can make it. In this I will tell you two hacks: acrylic and non-acrylic. Okay, for acrylic work also and non-acrylic work also. If those who are not having acrylic color, what they will do in this painting, those who have acrylic color, how they will do. The two things are there, lot of work we have to think and do that, right? Then let's begin today's video. And you and everyone, thank you for giving me a subscriber going outside. Okay, and if you like my today's video, then subscribe my channel and please turn on the bell icon for my new videos. If you like, then you are liking my channel. And let's begin today's video. Friends, I had taken a plastic bottle and I had just cut it these two parts and take out this one part from here. I just take out this one part from here. Okay. And now I had just applied Fevicol a little bit over here because I want to check out how much there is thing on the white sheet. And now those who have this type of acrylic white color, just a second, I will show you. This type of white color you can easily apply on the plastic sheet. I all know this thing, easily you can apply this acrylic white color, right? And now those who don't have this white color, what they will do, friends, tell me in comment first. They will stick a paper, then they will color with this. If those who don't have the color, this one, they can easily do thing that I am doing with this. First I will measure this all part. Okay, it's good. It's little bit longer. Now I will just applying the Fevicol. It is as stick before. That's why. Like this. Okay, I just apply this much. Don't worry what happens. And now you have to this thing. You have to all know if Fevicol. You can paste in between also, but I need the mold paper. That's why. And now you have to just press it out because we don't need to this. We will get the design. We need the design. Okay. And now we will just apply the Fevicol over here also for sticking this, because I don't know from where we had to put, how much longer is this width, anything I not measured before. Okay, and just apply it from on between also we have to put. Sorry, what? Normal Fevicol I am using, not using glue gun. From last few weeks I am not using glue gun, and I am telling you apart drawings, everything without a glue gun. And now I will just turn this and I will just press it because we need everything will be in sequence. Let it be do this, you don't have to do anything. And now I will just paste this after because we need the paper and this. I'm just cutting this according to the length of our paper. You have to cut everything according to your length of this plastic bottle part. Let's check out. Down parts, upper part, everything. Okay, this done. And now this part is not looking good. And if you're thinking that we will cover this, that's why I not covered. Let me cover this also. I'll just apply the Fevicol. And if your paper is same way my side shorter like mine is, then you can just see this and apply this one. I'm just applying the Fevicol fastly. I just apply a few Fevicol line on the white sheet also. You want all the updates, you can take from my Instagram page. The link I will give in the description box. Kindly go and check out. Everything is on there. And now I will just cut out. Just let me paste this proper. And you can see this white sheet. It's pure white. Pure white, I can tell you how it is pure white. I not use the chart paper, I use that sheet packet is coming in market. Easily it's available sheets. I will just cut out, then I will do anything else. I will just make cut over here also because this part is so long. This part is so long. This, okay. We'll just cut it over here. Okay, let me remove this everything from here. Okay, this and this. And now we will make a hook for inserting it. But first we will make the hook. I'm just taking a scissor and nothing else we need. Just taking scissor and I'm just giving a cut. Simple plain cut. You can see this much. Just this much. And same way I'm putting over here. Putting over here that cut only. See this how I'm doing. This cut and this part. Just cut this. Everything should be in length. Ready? Okay friends, now I'll just show you. I just insert this. This way only you will insert your curtain inside this, and now we will just decorate this part. I'll just take out this, and you can see one side is down and one side is up. Now how we will decorate? First, let me hold this with scissor. It's okay. Let to go on. For decorating, I have taken these two colors, red and yellow color. And I am taking just earbud, not brush. Just dipping the color in earbud. You can see color in yellow color. We are making flowers. Just making the dots. You are thinking that I will make dots only. No. Okay, the dots is done. Little few dots only I had given down. And now I'll just take the reddish color. And I'm just giving over here dots. Making the flower dotted color. Yellow color is not showing in the camera. I will let me up and show you. Okay. That's why we will give all the things. This way you will cover this. Okay. Let it cover with magic. Okay friends, with our magic this whole is complete. And it's looking so pretty, yeah. I'm loving it. And now let me dry. It is dried, and let me insert this. You can see this one. And let's go and insert on the curtain, and I will tell you how I insert this. Okay, let's. Okay, friends, let us insert on this curtain only, and let's begin today's Today you will see first time I like beard. Just let me open. I just hold the curtain. I'm just sending the curtain inside her. You can see. Just this way. The curtain is already attached. Then how I attach, I will tell you one time more. See, we had cut this part and this part. I just taken hold the curtain and I had insert this. This is so easy to prepare and so easy to insert in a curtain. Then if you like my today's video, then like and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.